Hi, today we are going to learn what are all features available for teachers in Coptin app. In the beginning, tap on sign in and here you'll get two options to log in. First one is using the username and password and second one is sign in with the OTP. Now I know the username and password, that's why I'm going to enter the username and password. If you are logging through sign in with OTP, you can just tap on that and you can enter your contact number and tap on get OTP. After that you will receive an OTP, enter that OTP and you can log in with that. Now I'll log in with the username and password. We'll logged in. So first option is timetable. Just tap on timetable. So here's the timetable. This teacher is handling these classes and you can also check this as a day wise. Your class, a subject's name and timing will appear here along with the class. Next option is assignments. So under assignments, the teachers can send the assignment to the students. So here these are the assignments, these are the replies which is received by the teacher from the students. So if you want to send any assignment to the students, just tap on add symbol. So once you tap on add symbol, you will get the classes which that particular teacher is handling. So you can select whichever the class she's going to send the assignment. Now I'm going to send the assignment for this class. So tap on next. You have to type your title. So my content is ready. You can also attach a file here. Just tap on add file and you'll get the option to attach the file. So I am attaching one sum and here I am adding one due date. So before this due date, the student has to submit their homework. And under change, you can select the students. If you want to exclude any of the student, you can do that like this. Now I am sending the this assignment for all the students. Just I'm saving this and tap on create. Now the assignment is sent, and if you want to check the responses, you can check here. So this here the response will come, and under all attendees it will show for how many students you have sent this assignment. I'll go back, we'll check for some responses. You can see that some students have responded to that. So just tap on that homework and tap on response, tap on view. Here you can check the homework. For example, I'll download the attachment which is sent by the student. So this is the homework sent by the student. You can check that, and if you are satisfied with the answer sent by the student, you can accept it like this. Otherwise you can also reject it. We'll go here. So here the status will come as accepted, and here attended, that means you have not corrected it yet. So just tap on view. If you are not satisfied by the answer, you can reject it like this. So now that homework is rejected. So this is all about assignments. If you tap here you can sort the assignments. For example, if you want to see only mathematics related assignments, just tap on mathematics. So whichever the assignment sent by the students that relate to mathematics, that will appear here. So the next option is events. Under events, this is like a calendar. Here the teachers can view the exam dates, any events or holidays, that all will come here. They can check here. If you tap on that, you will get more information about that. Next option is announcements. Announcements is like a newspaper. So here you'll get the update whatever happened in the school, if the admin updates in the web. So here you can check the details along with the video also you can check here. If you tap on the video will play, and images also you can see here with the detailed thing you can check here. Next one is leaves. In the home page it will shows whichever the leaves are allotted to you, and how much leaves are taken and how much available. If you change the field under leaves, you can check that how much leaves are taken and on which date you have taken the leaves. All this comes here. For applying the leave, you can tap on apply leave and you can select the date. If it is full day, you can select full day. You can select the date on which you want the leave, like this. I selected 17th Feb. Type is nothing but it's like whichever the leaves created, like casual leave or sick leave. Here I created the leave as a leaves only. The group name is leave, so I'll select that leave. And the reason I'll enter is family function, and I'll tap on apply leave. So now this application will go to the manager. So we'll log in as a manager and we'll check how it will appear there. So I'm logging in as a manager right now. Here you can see that one extra field is appearing, that is leave request. Here you can check if you tap on the approve leaves. Here you can check the applications of the employees. So when you tap on take action, you'll get these options. One is approve leave and another one is deny leave. You can also approve or deny the leave. Right now I'll deny the leave as already, and I'll deny the leave. So this is how it will appear for the manager. We'll go back and log in as a employee. And we can check that what happened to that leaves. Here you can check that whether the leaves are denied or not. The status we can check here. Next option is my gallery. I'll go to gallery. Here you can see that school can upload thousands of photos in a single album, so all will come here. You can check all the photos whichever the school publishes in the album, that all will come here. The next option is messages. Just tap on the messages. Here you can see that two options are available. First one is conversation, second one is broadcast messages. If you want to send the messages to all the classes, like for all the students in a particular class, just tap on broadcast. Below you'll get the option as broadcast icon. Just tap on that. Once you tap on that, you'll get three pop-ups with the employees, parents and students. Just tap on students. Here you can select the class for which class you're going to send the message. I'm selecting the entire class, all the students. If you want to select the students in that, just tap here, and here you can deselect the students and also select the students. You have selected all the students here. I'll go back, tap on continue. Here I'll enter my subject. So I'll type my message like this, and if the teacher wants to attach any of the files along with that, you can attach here. Just tap on attachments, and the attachment should be less than 5 MB. It should be less than 5 MB. Whichever the document, it should be less than 5 MB. And if you want to send this copy to the parents, you can allow this option. And if you want the parents to reply to your messages, you can tap on allow replies. Now you can send the message. Send message. So the message is sent to that particular class. So we'll go here. You can also reply to the conversation like this. See, you have sent that. The parents have parents have replied to that message. You can reply here like this. So this is how one conversation looks like. Broadcast messages, you can check the messages like this. Just tap on the message, and here you can get the responses. Just tap on responses and tap on message. If you want to reply to that message, you can reply here. So this is how you can reply to the broadcast messages. Next option is My Class. You can also take the attendance here. Now the staff is handling these classes. That class list will come here. Okay, tap on Mark Attendance. So first you have to select the date for which date you are going to take the attendance. Yeah, I'll select 18th. Here, if the student is absent, then mark like this, absent, like this. Just tap on that add symbol. That means the student is absent for that particular day. If you want to enter any reason, you can enter it. If the student is absent for the whole day, you can select like this, forenoon and afternoon. If the student is absent for only morning and if he is present for after afternoon, you can select like this. Once you are done with this, just save this, save absentees. So here it will show that these students have been marked absent. Thank you for watching the video.